Okay. This is my favorite. Yes, baby.
Can I just position gas station?
No, you have to come with mommy.
I'll stay here.
Okay, stay. Our garden. It's one of the most beautiful aspects of this flat. I absolutely love it. But first, I will show you. You see how massive it is. This is very common with flats in Joburg. There are some really beautiful things to show you, but it's just massive. So to be able to see it, of course, is to believe it. Okay. And if you've got little kids, there's an amazing little playground there for the itty bitty babies. Not even itty bitty. I mean, my 6-year-old plays. It's fine. You got to see the pool, which is there. It's a really beautiful place. These ground floor units have their own little private garden, which is cute. That's the pool there. Amazing. And the garden. It's just stunning. Now that I'm out here, I'm like sad that I don't come out here more in general. So beautiful. It's literally stunning. Stunning. Okay. So this is a massive flat complex. The grounds are beautiful. It's quite old.
I'm right here. Hello. I just got my hair done yesterday and I got some food.
We just came from the theater.
Yeah.
To see
The Lion King.
Yes. Edited by our friend Joy McMillan. We went to see it a second time.
Like we did one at 2 days and we did the Lion King
Twice.
2 days.
Yes. So here is what you would call the domestic quarter. Yeah, that's domestic quarters. So our flat does come with a domestic unit. So you can have a helper that stays there during the week or year round. It's quite convenient. There is, it's quite convenient. And on the top is where you hang your laundry. Our unit is on the 3rd floor, but we would call that 2. Here are some flats. So older one, newer one. The flats are attached to solar. So when and if there is load shedding, because we have it now, it's not so bad. The lifts are not affected, meaning the elevators. Okay, so now we're on our floor. You can also take the stairs as well. And you can see the enclosed brick area. That is where the laundry is hung.
And that's the school. I don't know if that's a school
Maintenance cleans these hallways twice a day. You're also able to leave your trash outside and it's picked up twice a day. Yeah, it reminds me of like English style flats. But what I love about them is the size, and you're gonna get to see that now. Okay, so we do have a gate, closes us in. This leads to the kitchen. And this is the main flat. Okay. It smells good. Oh my gosh. So as we walk in, this is the main lounge. Everything is furnished. Okay. So it's a massive main lounge. You can see my plants here. I've been struggling, hey? All of the furniture comes with the flats, okay? These are some pieces from Tanzania. There's Penelope. This is the foyer. This is the first bedroom. It's massive. Obviously we're moving, so it's not so big. This is a ultra king size bed, mirror. The desk comes, the chair, and this amazing built-in, right? Amazing built-in with 8 drawers and an area for shoes. We're cleaning, guys, so there's a lot of stuff that needs to go to be trashed. Okay. Trashed. Okay. This is where the Wi-Fi, and it was reinstalled. That's why you see it's a bit dirty. This is the kitchen. We'll come back there. Bathroom number 1. Shower. Right. So a bit dated, but a lot of space. Built-in bookcase. We just took all the books off. Linen closet, right? Also very large. Tons of storage. This is the primary. We'll head in there later. This is another bedroom, television, bed, side tables, the big built-ins here. You can see Penelope's mural, that will be covered. Okay, this is the kitchen. Hi, Rafael. Good. This is the pantry. A lot of the pots come with it, so as well as the appliances, dryer, tumble dryer, washing machine, and a dishwasher. Okay, a lot of glasses come, a lot of the dining ware, refrigerator, standard size. I think it's a little smaller. All of the glasses come with the unit, and then we're gonna take a special route. Okay, there's Penelope again.
Thanks, Mama.
You're welcome, baby. So this is the sunroom, which is also used as an office. Oh no, my laptop is here. Cooking. I use it as my office, you can see. And now we're into the